Hey guys, we're here at Legacy Dodge in Wetaskiwin again, where cars cost less. We just want to talk about a few vehicles that we picked out to show you with our hail special. I told you all a few weeks ago that back on July 23rd we had a hailstorm come through here. A lot of our vehicles have been fixed, but we have some that we've had some incredible discounts on. Like for instance this pearl white 2017 Laramie. We've got a few dents on here that, especially in white, are really hard to see. Probably about 4 on the hood and maybe 1 or 2 on the roof. But the main point about this is we've got $19,108 in discounts on this truck using the hail. Over here I put out a complete write-up. This 2017 Laramie Crew Cab was $68,075. We've got a discount of $19,108, bringing this down to $48,967. That works out to $295 bi-weekly, unbelievably cheap on a pearl white, which is probably my favorite color, 2017 Laramie. So come in, see us, give us a call. My name's Jody. Troy's on the camera. We're here at Legacy Dodge in Wetaskiwin. We'll be bringing you more specials like this here in the future. 1-800-642-3838 is our toll-free number. LegacyDodgeWetaskiwin.ca is our website. Come see us today. Let your legacy start here.